Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Power Query. Chapter 4. Import dynamic number of columns in Power Query. Importing a dynamic number of columns in Power Query allows you to handle datasets where the number of columns may change over time. Here's a guide on how to do this. Load data into Power Query. Open Excel or Power BI. Load your data into Power Query. In Excel, go to the Data tab, select Get Data, and choose the appropriate source. In Power BI, select Home, then Get Data, and choose your data source. Select your data and click Load or Edit to open the Power Query Editor. Transform your data. In the Power Query Editor, you will see your data preview. By default, Power Query will import all columns present in the dataset. If you want to ensure the query adapts to changes in the number of columns, avoid selecting specific columns. Instead, use transformations that apply to the entire table or use dynamic functions. Use dynamic functions. Use table column names and other dynamic functions to handle varying columns. This helps make your query adaptable to changes in the data structure.